Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we'll be looking at a Max 1 Olympiad problem. The question is given if x and y are real numbers such that x square plus xy plus y square equal to 2, x square minus y square is equal to root 5, find all possible values of x and y. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you, okay, we'll solve this problem, so what is first of all given, so x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 2. This can be written as x square plus y square is equal to 2 minus xy. Now x square plus minus y square, second one, is equal to root 5. So here we are adding these two. So here y square get cancelled. 2x square is equal to 2 minus xy plus root 5. Now the same I will do here, subtraction. X square plus y square is equal to 2 minus xy. So x square minus y square is equal to root 5. Here I am doing subtraction. Here minus, here plus, here minus. So here 2 x square get cancelled. So what will get here? 2y square is equal to 2 minus xy minus root 5. Now let it be 3. Let it be 4. Now we are multiplying 3 and 4. Here what is our target is to find xy value. So here if you multiply these two, 4x square y square, 2x square into 2y square, 4x square y square is equal to, here it is a, this is b. Here a, this is b. A plus b into a minus b, 2 minus xy whole square minus root 5 whole square. We are using the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This formula we are using in RHS. Now what will get here? 4x square y square is equal to 4 plus x square y square minus 4xy minus 5 will get. Now sending all the terms to one side, here we'll get 3x square y square plus 4xy plus 1 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic in x square, x and y. So here you are finding xy value. Xy value is by using the formula x equal to xy equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2m. You are using this formula and getting the value of xy because it is a quadratic in xy. So minus 4 plus or minus root of b square means 16 minus 4 into 3 into 1 by 2 into 3. So xy is equal to minus 4 plus or minus, here we'll get root 4 2 by 6. So that is equal to minus 1 by 3 or minus 1 will get. Xy value will get minus 1 by 3 or minus 1. Now replace xy in 1 now. Replace xy in 1. What is 1 here? x square plus y square is equal to 2 minus xy. This is the first one. If you substitute here value minus 1, so here you will get x square plus y square is equal to 3. If you take x equal to xy equal to minus 1. Now the second one what will get x square plus y square. If you take xy is equal to minus 1 by 3. If you take xy equal to minus 1 by 3, x square y square is equal to 7 by 3. 7 by 3 will get. Now, already we know x square minus y square is equal to root 5. X square minus y square is equal to root 5. So, from this you can get x square value 2x square is equal to 3 plus root 5. X square is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2. X is equal to root of 3 plus root 5 by 2. So here this can be written as x is equal to, if you multiply numerator and denominator with the 2, 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 you will get. So this can be written as x is equal to root 5 x plus or minus square root of root 5 plus 1 by 2. Root 5 plus 1 by 2. So here this is the value we are getting. So here we can remove this root. Root won't be there. So here we will get plus or minus root 5 plus 1 by 2. Root 5 plus 1 by 2. So y will be conjugate to this. Y value will be conjugate to this. Okay, what will get root 5 minus 1 by 2. Y value will be root 5 plus root 5 minus 1 by 2. Both are conjugate to each other. Now if you take a second case here, here also if you cancel, here y square get cancelled. 2x square is equal to 7 by 3 plus root 5. So 2x square is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5 by 3. So x square is equal to 7 plus 3 root 5 by 6. So here also you can find the value. So here x value, here you have to multiply with 6. Multiply the numerator and denominator with 6. So here you will get 42 plus 18 root 5. 18 root 5 by 36. So here you have to find the square root of this. So here x is equal to, so 42. Okay, 42. You can write it as plus 18. 42 plus here you will get 2 root 405. 2 root 405 by 36. So here if you find the factor somehow, what will get x is equal to 3 root 3 root 3 plus root 15 by 6. So this is the value we are getting. So y will be conjugate to this. Y will be plus or minus 3 root 3 minus root 15 by 6. So these are the possible values of x and y. So if you want to write this in order, what are the possible values of x and y? So x is equal to minus root 5 minus 1 by 2. Y will be root 5 minus 1 by 2. So if we take x will be root 5 plus 1 by 2. Y will be 1 minus root 5 by 2. And if you take another case, x will be minus root 3 by 2 minus root 15 by 6. Y is equal to root 3 by 2 minus root 15 by 6. Second case, x is equal to root 3 by 2 plus root 15 by 6. Y will be root 15 by 6 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the possible values of x and y. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.